Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI, a powerful tool for many tasks. We'll start by understanding what Gemini is and how you can easily access it. You can find Gemini through its dedicated website or within other integrated applications. We'll also cover its fundamental capabilities, like generating creative text and assisting with code, setting the stage for more advanced uses. Gemini offers a wide array of features to boost your productivity and creativity. It's excellent for generating various creative text formats, from poems to detailed scripts. You can also rely on Gemini to summarize lengthy documents or articles, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, it's a fantastic resource for coding, helping with debugging and generating useful code snippets.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Your support really helps the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
To get the best out of Gemini, mastering prompt engineering is crucial. Always be specific and clear in your instructions to ensure Gemini understands your intent. Providing context and a few examples can significantly improve the quality and relevance of its responses. Don't hesitate to experiment with different phrasing. A slight change can often lead to a much better output. Beyond the basics, Gemini offers advanced techniques to elevate your experience. Explore its multimodal capabilities, allowing it to understand and respond to image-based prompts. Consider integrating Gemini with other applications to create seamless and powerful workflows. Remember to always review and refine Gemini's outputs, ensuring they perfectly align with your specific requirements and goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.